Arthritis pain relief, 10 science-backed natural home remedies. 1. Sip ginger tea. Fresh ginger, powdered, raw, or lightly cooked, can be sprinkled liberally on food. Make your own ginger tea by simmering ginger slices in a few cups of boiling water for 15 minutes. 2. Eat inflammation-fighting foods. Patients with rheumatoid arthritis, RA, who shifted to a Mediterranean-style diet, think fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, olive oil, almonds, garlic, onions, and herbs, had reduced inflammation and restored some physical abilities. 3. Breath in fragrant spices. Studies have shown that pleasant scents such as lavender can modify the experience of pain. Arthritis patients who were exposed to the fragrances of household spices such as marjoram, rosemary and peppermint had less pain and were happier. Add a teaspoon of one of these dried herbs to a quarter cup of olive, coconut, or vegetable oil for a pain-relieving aromatherapy treatment. 4. Apply a chamomile tea poultice. A strong infusion of chamomile tea can be made by steeping 4 tea bags in a cup or 2 of hot water. Cover and steep for 20 minutes, then squeeze out the tea bags. Soak a clean towel in the cooling liquid and apply it to achy joints to relieve the pain. 5. Give joints the cold-hot treatment. Fill one container with cold water and ice cubes, and the other with hot water at a temperature you can tolerate touching. Submerge the hurting joint in cold water for a minute, then switch to hot water and immerse for 30 seconds. For around 15 minutes, alternate between cold and hot, submerging the afflicted joint in each for 30 seconds. Finish with cold water and hold for a full minute. 6. Sip 4 cups of green tea a day. The polyphenol antioxidants in tea were anti-inflammatory, improved arthritis-related immune responses, and reduced cartilage degradation considerably. 7. Stir in some turmeric. Turmeric has been shown in several trials to lessen pain and edema in arthritis patients. Sprinkle half teaspoon on rice or in vegetables daily. 8. Make sure you get enough vitamin C. Not only does vitamin C aid to manufacture the collagen necessary for joints, but it also rids the body of free radicals, which are damaging to joints. Because your body doesn't store vitamin C, it takes what it needs from the bloodstream at any given time and flushes out the remainder. Spread out your consumption throughout the day. Drink citrus juices or consume C-rich fruits and vegetables like strawberries, melon, broccoli, or sweet peppers. 9. Add cloves to your diet. A molecule found in cloves called eugenol acts as an anti-inflammatory and inhibits a physiological process that produces arthritis in some people. Cloves also include antioxidants, which aid in the slowing of arthritis-related cartilage and bone deterioration. Aim for half to 1 teaspoon a day for joint pain relief. 10. Increase omega-3 fatty acids. Cold water fish like salmon and tuna are excellent suppliers of omega-3 fatty acids. Cook with olive oil instead of corn oil whenever possible. Inflammation has been found to be reduced by olive oil's omega-3s and antioxidants. Be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification button to get more videos like these.